Hello, welcome guys, it's me Vidayanand and you are watching Vidayanand Official. In this video, I have told you how to walk in just 2 minutes. First of all, you have to focus on your body posture. Straight, confident, don't move your hands too much. Okay. Get your face attractive and focused. Make your eyes focused at some point. Keep it simple. Let's talk about the feet